Hey guys, what's up? So today we're gonna do a little bit of a different Monday video. We're gonna practice together. It's been a minute since we practiced and I figured it will be fun. As you know, knowing the framework of the guitar is a big part of how we can feel more free and create at more ease. So I want to talk about today how we can really nail down the first 5-6 frets of the guitar. What we're gonna do is we're gonna play a few different cycles of chords and scales to really nail and know what we're doing there. The idea behind it is basically by playing these exercises, we're gonna hear, listen to the colors and learn the fingerboard better so we can basically solo and create with more ease. So in this video today, I would love for you guys to play along. This video will be about 15 minutes practicing together. I'm gonna play triads 1, 3, 5 in the cycle of fourth in this area of the guitar. So I'm gonna ascend C major and then descend F major, ascend B flat, and then E flat, etc., etc. And then I'm making sure that I'm in time playing with the metronome. This is going to be 46 BPM and trying to really be aware of each note. I'm going to try and listen carefully if it's the 1, 3, or 5 of the triad, and also know the name of the note when I'm playing it. So I'm really trying to kind of be hyper aware and listening as much as I can so it's not just like shapes. Here we go. I'm going to switch to the next triad wherever I am at the fretboard. I'm not going to jump. So if I'm playing C major, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then F major would be the next note here because I'm descending, so it will be the note A. So I'm basically playing the next neighbor note in the next chord. Triads in the cycle of fourth, 8 notes, 46 BPM. If you like this stuff, please subscribe, please share it to a friend that wants to practice with me, with you, together, us practicing. 3, 4, C, and 2, and 3, and 4, and F, and 2, and 3, and 4, and B flat, and 2, and 3, and 4, and E flat, and 2, and 3, and 4, and A flat, and 2, and 3, and 4, and B flat, and 2, and 3, and 4, and F sharp, and 2, and 3, and 4, and B major, and 2, and 3, and 4, and E, 2, 3, 4, and A, 2, 3, 4, and D, 2, 3, 4, and G, 2, 3, 4, and... Now the same thing with minor triads, 1, 3, 5 in the cycle of fourth, starting from C minor. 3, 4, C minor. 2, 3, 4, F minor. 2, 3, 4, B flat minor. 2, 3, 4, E flat minor. 2, 3, 4, A flat minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, and D flat. 2, 3, 4 to F sharp minor. 2, 3, 4 to B minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, and E minor. 2, 3, 4, and A minor. 2, 3, 4, and D minor. And 2, 3, 4, and G minor. 2, 3, 4, and C. I'm going to continue with 8 notes, 46 BPM, but now I'm going to choose the color of major 7 and then do the same trick, just shifting between the chords in this area. I'm going to say the name of the chords as I'm playing them, but they're all major 7. 3, 4, C. 2, 3, 4, F. 2, 3, 4, B flat. 2, 3, 4 to E flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, A flat. 2, 3, 4 to D flat. 1, 2, I would do these cycles quite a few times in each area because the finger changes a little bit, so it's getting more challenging or just challenging in a different way. Now the same cycle with 7 chords. So 7, all dominants. 3, 4, C. 2, 3, 4, F, 7. 4 to B flat. 1, 2, 3, 4 to E flat. 1, 2, 3, 4 A flat. 1, 2, 3, 4 D flat. 1, 2, 3, 4 to F sharp. 1, 2, 3, go to B. 1, 2, 3, 4 to E. 1, 2, 3, 4 to A. 1, 2, 3, 4 to D. 1, 2, 3, 4 to G. 1, 2, 3. So what I'm going to do right now is play major scales in a cycle of 4 starting from C, and basically I'm playing 8 notes. So each 8 clicks I'm shifting to a new key. So C, F, B flat, etc. And I'll say the keys so you guys can play with me. You don't have to play exactly what I'm playing. Even if you're practicing with me, it will still sound good. And the point is that you're aware of what you're practicing and you are there as much as possible. 3, 4, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, B flat. 1, 2, B flat should have been, okay. 3, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. F. 1, 2, 3, 4. B flat. 2, 3, 4. E flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. A flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. B flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4. B. 1, 2, 3, 4. E. 1, 2, 3, 4. A. 1, 2, 3, 4. D. 1, 2, 3, 4. G. 1, 2, 3, 4. C. So as you can see, what I'm doing, I'm limiting myself to stay in a certain area, so I have to know the next scale and the next notes. In this way, I'm basically forced to know what note I'm playing and what's the next note of the next key very fast. So I have only 8 notes per key, so the shifting is pretty quickly. You can also do that, of course, with triplets, with 16s, faster, slower. All these are great variables to try. I'm going to do a cycle of 4 starting from C with dominant, so all dominant sounds. So starting with C7. 3, 4, C7. 1, 2, 3, 4, F. 1, 3, 4, B flat 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, E flat. 1, 7, 3, 4, E flat. 2, 3, 4, D flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, F sharp. 1, 2, 3, I really like doing, just to have my fingers moving, and it's also in this area of the guitar. So let's do it. 3, 4. Start to bend that. Just up. Stanza. It's a little workout. Definitely good to stretch a little bit before and after. If you feel any pain, please stop playing. If you feel tension, try to understand where the tension is exactly, and try to understand that in order to push this string, we don't need a lot of power, but we need very specific and very targeted action. Very short also. So try to be as relaxed as possible with these exercises. Thanks so much for listening. I hope this is interesting and useful. Please leave a comment and tell me if it is, or what you want me to do the next video about, if it's practicing or something else. See you next week.